After spending a night in Dong-Hoi and exploring it a bit, yesterday afternoon and today in the morning, as you can see in the previous video, I continue on my way south. Early morning start, 7:30 in the morning, heading down south through Dong-Hoi city to the beach road, and from there again, hopefully all the way to Dong-hא. Maybe I'll make it today, 110 kilometers. Last beach road I'll do, because from there I have done the beach road before, all the way down to Saigon. So the beach is just there, but look at those two ugly buildings, this one and this one, you see, just behind me, brutal buildings that are being built on the beach. They're so ugly, so out of place, and I wonder who gave a license to do that. That's not development, that's destruction. So that's the beach behind the hotels. They are developing. You know what I think about developing. Over there, more hotels. And this beach that now is nice and pristine would become another touristic attraction. Now it's still nice, but you can see one hotel after the other popping up. If I come back in 5 years, probably everything would be built. But for now, let's enjoy the beach. My favorite banh mi. Everywhere being developed. More. Yeah, I like this much better. Of course, the development is still going on behind me, but this is still nice. The beach is just on the other side here. The beach is still over there behind those hills. Out along the way. Here it's completely empty and beautiful. Wow. Perfect. Yeah, let's spend a little bit time here. And then there is a small fisherman village on the way. They do some agriculture, It's pretty hard to do it on the sand dunes. So most people just go out to the beach and fish. I'm not sure if they do it together as a family or as a commune. It seems like they fish together. So all the beaches here seem the same. Sandy, dark beaches. Fishermen. Highway for a little bit, see what's there to see, maybe different scenery, and at the end of this beach there's supposed to be a cape or something, and I'll cut back to that. So the drizzle became stronger and I am not very comfortable and not very pleasant to drive like this, so I had to stop, put on my raincoat, first time this trip, and I'll continue on to the highway. Yeah, luckily I did come prepared for that. From Hanoi, I thought about it, and I came with it. Nylon bag, just in case. All set. I think it's because of the mist before, but look at those giants just out of the mist. That's pretty impressive. Some wind turbines before in Quignon. Apparently they also have them here. And quite a bit of them. And no wonder, look at them, how they spin. So thanks to the drone, I saw this nice lake from above, and I thought I'll go check it out. Looks really nice. It's blocked for a motorcycle, but looks pretty nice from above, so let's see it from up close. Pretty nice lake in between the sand dunes. Yeah, there are the turbines. And a very nice lake. So of course, let's take some photos. And there's another lake on the other side, similar to this one. Actually nicer. Wind turbines are everywhere on this road, everywhere. Here, there, and everywhere. Interesting stop on the way on highway AH1. Lake Baosen, according to the map. Very nice with the sand dunes behind. And I just lift the drone up and see what I can see from above, because from here it's just okay. Actually, the other side, away from the lake, other side of the highway looked a lot nicer, a lot greener. So there it is. Spent some time exploring it. That was all the lush green I saw from above. This is all rice fields. Yeah, okay. Well, I will go back. It's really nice here, and away from the beach you have a lot more nature. It's just as nice, probably more, and I definitely need to take another day to go explore a little bit of the mountains. This is amazing. It's so quiet. Just thinking about going back to the pollution of Hanoi. Crowded, polluted, no nature, no gardens, no green. Makes me feel sick to my bones, seriously. In the next video, part 2 of day 8, I continue my way south, exploring more beaches on the way. Yeah, wow. Some more things go wrong. The shoe fell apart. And I eventually reached Dong-hoi. Fidel Castro Park. If you want to see more of my adventures, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.